SEP900. The SEP900 was conceived as a special machine for washing trains and rail cars on the go. It features a latest generation low-pollution diesel engine, low-maintenance hydraulics to power traction and brush operation, plus a 1,000-liter water tank. Designed exclusively for the extreme service requirements in railway yards, the chassis is super heavy-duty and all systems are low maintenance. The regulating brush is push-button height adjustable and has a pressure control system to maintain optimal contact with the car surface being washed, guaranteeing consistently good results. Exclusive features also include all stainless steel cab, engine compartment, water tank and brush shroud for total corrosion-proof operation. The cab is insulated and can be heated on request. The SEP900 combines all these modern features to allow washing trains inexpensively from either platform or track level.